guys don't know the difference between tube and pipe, let's pop Quiznos. Tube versus pipe. Real simple. Tubing is measured by the outside diameter. This is 1 3/4 on the outside. Pipe is measured by the inside diameter. This is 2-inch pipe. Pipe is mostly used in plumbing applications. So that's why the PVC you find is all pipe. Now the schedule stainless stuff that we use for the turbo manifold parts are really thick wall. This is schedule 40, which it's like almost 1/4 inch, I believe. It's schedule 40, it's really thick. But remember, so tube is measured by the outside diameter, pipe is measured by the inside diameter. So there you go. Most structural fabrication is going to be tubing. Really the only time you're ever going to see this is on turbo manifolds, just because you're able to get really thick wall stainless that's going to hold up to the abuse.